Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Sagittarius fire sign for the month of October. So this is general and this is monthly reading, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see. Fire sign Sagittarius, your recent past. Nine of Swords, the Moon, Queen of Cups. I think Sagittarius, your recent past, definitely you are not sleeping at night times. Definitely there is some depression or you are going something through. Definitely because there are some misunderstandings between you and your person, but you have strong emotions for your person. Definitely you are going through something very painful because there is some reason. Definitely because the moon is here, definitely there are some illusions or some misunderstandings between you and a person. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Sagittarius, Four of Pentacles, two cards, Three of Pentacles, Two of Wands. Yeah, one person is not expressive in this connection. It could be your person. Definitely they are not, they are stubborn, they are not expressing their feelings, they are holding back their feelings. That is the problem issue. Even though they are liking you, they are not expressing their feelings to you. Three of Pentacles, yes, but later they want to work on this relationship. Definitely there is progress. They want to express their feelings and they want to work on this relationship with you. Definitely I think your person thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands, are you thinking about a lot, or both are thinking about each other a lot? Two of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. I think it could be your person definitely thinking about you a lot. So let's see some more messages regarding your love life. Sagittarius, Seven of Cups, Five of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Five of Wands. Yeah, definitely one person very sad for what is happening between both of you. Five of Wands and Five of Cups. Definitely for some there is separation. Seven of Cups. So there is confusion. One person getting lot of confusion what to do, which decision they has to make. Definitely there is some confusion. And Five of Wands. I think your person, I think one person is fighting for the other person. Definitely I think it's your person fighting for you, for your attention. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So your person near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Wow, the Emperor, the Lovers. Your person could be Gemini. Wow, Six of Cups. Definitely your person want reconciliation with you if you are in separation, because Six of Cups is here. Definitely you both could be, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. Definitely because Six of Cups is a past life connection and reconciliation card. And the Lovers, definitely you both love each other unconditionally. The Emperor, yes, your person step up and they want to offer commitment. Definitely this time, because the Emperor is very honest person, they don't play games anymore. So let's see some more messages regarding universe, from the universe regarding the connection. From the universe, Sagittarius, lot of cards I am not taking. From the universe, yeah, Hierophant. Yeah, I told you already, commitment is coming. Definitely commitment is coming. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, separation but judgment. Yeah, you will get justice, Sagittarius. Yeah, Knight of Cups. Yeah, definitely those who are in separation, your person want to express their feelings to you. Knight of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. Judgment, so this separation is going to be, and definitely there are, if there are some commitment issues, they are going to be resolved between both of you. Definitely your person want to commit to you. Hierophant and with Judgment and Six of Cups, definitely your person want reconciliation with you, and they want another chance with you. If you want to give another chance with your person, definitely they want to work on this relationship, and they have strong emotions. Three of Pentacles is here. Definitely they want to work on this relationship. Sagittarius, it's up to you. Definitely they want to commit to you, and they want reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius, for the month of October. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.